Hey guys, welcome back. Nello here with a very beautiful face. You guys already know, okay? So you guys, before we catch up today, let me show you the wig that I'm going to be installing on my head today. And I'm so excited about this particular wig because it's supposed to look like my natural hair, like hence why my hair is looking a mess right now, okay? It's going to, you guys see what I mean? But the wig is from HerGivenHair and it comes in this box right here. See. HerGivenHair is hands down my favorite brand to work with and my favorite brand to patronize when it comes to buying like natural hair, kinky hair, just all these like black girl hair. They are so amazing with it. When you open it up, it comes with a bag to store your wig in. Comes with some extra hair clips because you might be needing it actually. And it comes with a letter, a note, like a thank you note. Then it also comes with this step-by-step guide on how to like wash your hair, how to fix it, like how to do a lot of things. I love this book. Like the first time I worked with them, I remember reading it thoroughly. So if you're buying from them for the first time, trust me, you would want to read this. So this is what the wig looks like. This wig is so beautiful. I hope you guys can see it very well. So it is a kinky blowout wig. And this feels like my hair, like even touching itself, it feels like touching my hair. It's a kinky blowout wig and it is a U-part wig. So this is what U-part means. I'm going to be cutting this open right here, but it's a U-part wig and it comes with a bunch of clips. It comes with these clips here. Can you guys see that? It comes with these clips here. So if you want to bring out your hair like in the middle and just do a normal U part, then that is what these clips are for. Then it comes with clips other places in case you want to just make it snug on your hair. This is from HerGivenHair. Absolutely love this brand. I think at this point I've done like the most videos for them and I love working with them, and every single hair is a hit. Every single wig is a hit, and it's also so well made. Like, I wish you guys could see the tracks, the sewing, both from in and out. It is so well made, always so well made. No gaps, no jumps, like good quality, okay? So I'm going to be putting this on my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways you can style this wig. So this wig is for all you out there that still want to look natural. You want to wear wig, but you don't want people to know that you're wearing wig, okay? Or you want to deceive people that, see, this is my hair. This is the wig for you. Like, trust me, this is the wig for you. I'm going to be demonstrating a few ways you can rock this wig. The first one, I'm going to wear it straight, and the second one, I'm going to coil it, okay? So let us go on and demo.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gonna me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
So you guys, this is the first style and I absolutely love this. Can you tell that this is not my hair? Like, I love the fact that it doesn't even look like a wig. It's a wig, but it's only you that is wearing it that know that it's a wig. It looks so good. I love it. I'm in love. I'm actually now sad that I did this as my first style because I want to show you guys another style. So I wish I did this second because I would have loved to wear this for the day. Like, it looks so gorgeous. So I just want to show you guys a closer view. So I did cornrow, like I cornrowed here, tied, held it with rubber band, and then did baby hair just to make it look cute and make it look nice. See the way I'm glowing. See, your girl is on fire these days, almost like I'm exuding fire because this glow, I can't, like, can you guys see this glow? Like, can you see this glow? I love.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew. Then you got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel refreshing, lose control.
Okay, you guys, this is the second look and I love this one so much. So the other one looks very natural, but this one looks like young and like flirty. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying, but that's what my eyes is seeing. That is what is giving to me. I love this wig. I love that you can do so much with it, as in you can literally use this wig to do anything. You can use it to do ponytail, you can fix it, you can actually fix it without leaving any hair out. There is just so much you can do with this wig. Okay, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a kinky blowout wig. I'm going to put the link. Everything you need is going to be in my description box. All your discount codes for money off is going to be there, and also I think I'll put it as a comment and pin it, because I feel like sometimes people don't open the description box to actually find all the gems that we put in there. Okay, so I'll put it as a comment and also pin it. Don't forget to check out HerGivenHair. This wig is so versatile. That is what I love the most. You guys saw the two styles I literally just did with it now, and they both look like my hair. Like, it both looks like I just packed my hair up. Like, this could be my hair. Okay. You guys don't mind me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.